In this video we are going to learn how to use semi-modal verbs. In the last two videos we had seen the usage and rules of modal verbs. So in this video we are going to learn what semi-modal verbs express. So let's get started. First, use of dare. When dare is used as a semi-modal verb, it means to be brave, reckless or courageous enough to do or try something. Now we'll see the use and example. First, to express boldness, साहस व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, he dares to fight for his rights. Second, to express challenge, चुनौती व्यक्त करने के लिए. You dare not contradict me. Now we'll see the use of need. Need as a semi-modal verb is always used in affirmatives to mean requirement. It also is used in negative sentences to express a lack of obligation or necessity. First, to express necessity, आवश्यकता व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, he needs money. Negative example, you need not stay here. Second, to express obligation, दायित्व व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, he needs to do this work. Third, to express sense of responsibility, जिम्मेदारी व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, we need to focus on our work. Now we'll go to the use of used to. When we speak about a past habit, condition or fact that is no longer the case, we can use the semi-modal used to with the base form of the verb. Example and usage now we will see. First, to express discontinued habitual action. Example, I used to take exercise daily. ऐसी आदत जो पहले थी लेकिन अब आप में वो आदत नहीं है. Second, to express the state of a person or thing in the past. किसी वस्तु या व्यक्ति की पुरानी स्थिति को व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, they used to live in Bhopal. Third, it is also used as an adjective to mean habituated. वर्तमान काल में आदि या अभ्यस्त आदि का भाव व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, he is used to riding bike fast. Now we'll go to the use of ought to. Ought to is used to ask or offer a strong advice, suggestion about something. We use ought to with the simple form of the verb. It is commonly compared to should because it expresses that something is viewed as correct, preferable or necessary, or as probable, likely or expected. Now we will see the use of ought to. First, to express moral responsibility or social binding, नैतिक दायित्व या सामाजिक बंधन व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, we ought to love our country. Second, to express strong advice or suggestion, प्रबल सलाह देने के लिए या सजेशन देने के लिए. Example, you ought to consult a good doctor. Third, to express strong possibility, प्रबल संभावना व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, our team ought to win the match. Fourth, to express moral responsibility in the past. Example, you ought to have completed your homework. Now we will go to the use of had better. Had better is often used to express advice or personal opinion. Some sort of consequences may occur if condition is not followed. First, to express advice. सलाह व्यक्त करने के लिए. Example, you had better go to a doctor. Second, to express personal opinion. Example, he had better obey the rules. Now we will go to the use of be able to. We use be able to express ability. Able is an adjective meaning having the power, skill or means to do something. We sometimes use be able to instead of can and was able to for could to express ability. Now we will see the use and example. First, to express ability. Example, I am able to swim. It is likely saying I can swim. Second, I was able to swim. It is likely saying I could swim. Now we will go to the use of have to. We use have to in the past, present and future to express responsibility or necessity. In general, have to expresses external obligation. The subject of have to is obliged or forced to act by separate external power. First, to express external obligation. Example, students have to complete their homework. Second, to express necessity. Example, children have to go to school.
Thank you. Keep on learning with me. Have a nice day.